This brand is from Heat Controller Incorporated, which is a part of Mars, and the units are made in America but only sold through their dealer network in the USA. They have random swing louvers which give the effect of a gentle breeze and temperature compensation, which takes into account the difference in temperatures from floor to ceiling in a room. Their nano silver filter eliminates bacteria for improved indoor air quality. The brand is competitively priced, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The SVH-B models are basic single-zone heat pumps with an efficiency of up to 18.5 SEER that are available for 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems. The VMH UltraV series models are premium heat pump units with a follow-me temperature sensing remote and a low ambient kit for cooling operation down to 5 degrees. They are designed to provide heating as well as cooling in areas where the outdoor temperature gets as low as 0 degrees. They are available for single zone as well as up to 5 indoor units for a single outdoor unit, but the outdoor units are rather loud when compared to some of the other brands. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.